Hey everyone, welcome to another video of our session Parts of Speech. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss 10 different types of adjectives: descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, indefinite adjective, comparative adjective, superlative adjective, proper adjective, and the last is evaluative adjective. As we know that adjectives are the words that describe or modifies the noun. There are several types of adjectives, each serving different function. Let's explore each type. But before that, if you want to learn detailed information about adjective, you can see our previous videos. We have already discussed there in detail. Number 1, descriptive adjective. These adjectives describe the quality, state, or condition of a noun. For example, the beautiful garden, the tall building. The word beautiful and tall are describing the appearance or quality of garden and building. Number 2, quantitative adjective. These adjectives indicate the quantity or amount of something. For example, few people attended the event. I have many books. The words few and many are describing the quantity of person or books. Quantitative adjectives also describes the number of noun like 5 fingers in a hand. The word 5 also describes the quantity. Number 3, demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out or identify a noun in terms of position or specific reference. For example, this apple is delicious. Those coats are expensive. In the given examples, there are two adjectives in each sentence, like delicious and expensive are describing the quality of apple and coat, which is also descriptive adjectives, while the words this and those are indicating specific noun that among the many apples this one is delicious, and among so many stuff in the shop those coats are expensive. Number 4, possessive adjectives. These adjectives indicate the possession or ownership. For example, my car is parked outside. Her toys are in the shelf. The word my and her are indicating the possession. Number 5, interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions about the noun. For example, what color is your house? Which fruit do you like? The word what and which are interrogating about the noun, the color of house, and the choice of fruit. Number 6, identified adjective. These adjectives do not specify an exact number or amount. For example, I have some monies. There are several options to choose. Number 7, comparative adjective. These adjectives compare two nouns showing how one is better, worse, or different from the another one. For example, strawberry cake is sweeter than the cheesecake. This test is easier than the last one. In this picture, cheesecake is sweet, but the strawberry cake is more sweet. So we will say strawberry cake is sweeter than the cheesecake. In the same way, last test was easy, but the current test is more easy. So we will say that this test is easier than the last one. Number 8. Superlative adjectives. These adjectives compare three or more nouns showing the extreme quality. For example, this is the tallest mountain I have ever seen. Whale is the biggest creature among all. You can see we are comparing three things. You can also compare more than three: tall, taller, tallest, big, bigger, biggest. Number 9 is proper adjective. These adjectives are derived from the proper nouns and usually begins with the capital letter. For example, I love Arabic food. He is wearing a Japanese hat. Number 10 is evaluative adjective. These adjectives express opinions or judgment about the noun. That was a fantastic news. He gave an incredible speech. So, incredible and fantastic are evaluative adjectives. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.